Best PS4 emulators for PC. Want to play PS4 games on your PC? Let's explore 3 of the best PS4 emulators available today. So first on our list would be PCSX4, a 64-bit open source emulator that supports 4K resolution for select titles. Second would be FPPS4. FPPS4 is lightweight and designed for smaller or indie PS4 games. And third would be Orbital, focused on low-level firmware emulation mainly for research rather than gaming. Remember that PS4 emulation is still experimental and most AAA games won't run yet. So beware of fake emulators online. And that is the top 3 best PS4 emulators for PC.